Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some hazy conditions across the region, mainly due to that smoke across the area. And continue to see that today until a cold front moves through for the evening hours. That's going to give us a chance of some strong to severe thunderstorms across the area. Main threat would be the stronger wind gusts with any of those thunderstorms moving through. Possibility of some small hail as well, but overall today going to see hot and humid conditions as well, and those chances of showers and thunderstorms once we move past 1600 local this evening. Looking at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 13,100 feet, winds out of the west-southwest at 18 knots at 1,000 feet, then calming to 8 knots at 6,000 feet, and we see more of a northwesterly wind back to that west-southwesterly wind and increasing up to 34 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a weak lee trough just north and west of our area this morning, not really producing anything, just a little bit of cloud cover around 11,000 feet. We have a cold front moving through for this evening. It's going to give us our main chance of showers and thunderstorms. And we do have a Canadian high pressure going to build in behind that, giving us a very nice and pleasant weather for Thursday and into Friday, especially for late July. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of cloud cover over northern Delmarva, mainly around that 10 to 11,000 foot level. Seeing that cold front starting to approach and it's moving through West Virginia, western portions of Maryland, Panhandle, as well as southwestern portions of Pennsylvania. It's going to be moving through our region for this evening. You can also see that hazy look to the atmosphere this morning, or the satellite picture, and that is due to that smoke in the atmosphere. So taking a look at our camera shot, you can see that haze across the region, reducing visibilities to 5 statute miles at times. And we do look at our HRRR model for today. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity will increase for this afternoon into the evening hours and moving through the region with a slight chance between 1600 and 1800 local, and then a better chance after 1800 local with some scattered to isolated thunderstorms moving through. Most likely it'll be a broken line of thunderstorms with the possibility of some stronger storms embedded within that line. Once we move past midnight, should see all that activity move off the coast, and then by tomorrow morning should see some cooler and more comfortable conditions, less humid weather as well for Thursday. Temperatures in the mid-80s to lower 80s for highs, as well as a good amount of upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region. So looking at the European model the next few days, here's this evening. You see those showers and thunderstorms moving towards the region. Best chance will be across central and northern Delmarva. And then we move into Thursday, high pressure in control. Friday, high pressure slides off the coast. That'll start to return our humidity values to higher levels, but still a fairly pleasant day for Friday. And then for Saturday, European model continues to put out a possibility of some showers and thunderstorms for Saturday. Not really seeing much agreement in the models with this system for Saturday. So right now, going to go with low-end chances for showers and thunderstorms, and hope that the models do give a better agreement once we move towards the weekend, but right now looking like a slight chance of occurring. Then for Sunday, we'll see more humid and warm conditions across the region, a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm with the humidity increasing and a trough off to our west. And then once we move into Monday, going to see a cold front approach from the west Monday and a Tuesday. That's going to give us a decent chance of some showers and thunderstorms, especially late Monday, and then continuing possibly into Tuesday. We will see the humid and warm conditions return for next week. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening, a high today around 90 degrees. Should see those heat indices in the upper 90s to mid 90s. Dew point should fall once we move in the afternoon hours. However, they are remaining in the lower 70s currently. So if we do see those dew points in the lower 70s and temperatures near 90, that will put our heat index very close to 100. As far as our overnight low goes, we'll see a low around 68 degrees. Those southwesterly winds today gusting up to 18 knots, sustained 8 to 13 knots. And then overnight seeing more of a northerly wind, and that will reduce our dew points and our humidity values. And we'll see those northerly winds possibly gusting up to 17 knots tomorrow morning. We'll see a 20% chance of a thunderstorm between 16 and 1800 local, a 30% chance thereafter till about midnight. And otherwise, going to see VFR conditions, going to see that haze in here with 5 statute visibility throughout the day today, most likely. Should see that really decrease tomorrow once that cold front does move through. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Thursday and Friday, green charts across the board. Thursday, partly cloudy, less humid and pleasant, high at 84. Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and comfortable, a low of 64. Friday, partly to mostly cloudy, high of 83. For our next 7 days, that 30% chance of a thunderstorm this evening, hot conditions as well. Then we'll see more pleasant conditions for Thursday and Friday, temperatures in the lower to mid-80s. Saturday, right now, more in question of how the weather pattern works its way out. Across our region, going to see a possibility of showers and thunderstorms with that European model showing that complex of storms, moving through. Going to keep it at a 25% chance at this time, highs in the lower 80s. If we do see less shower and thunderstorm activity on Saturday, the highs will be in the mid-80s. For Sunday, slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm, more humid, 20% chance of that thunderstorm, a high of 85. And then Monday and Tuesday, we return to the typical summertime pattern of highs in the upper 80s, higher humidity values. You can see overnight lows here near 75 degrees, and diurnal chances of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a better chance of Monday versus Tuesday, but right now we'll continue to monitor that for that timing of the cold front moving through for either Monday or Tuesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.